How many unfinished punch list items around the house do you have, and how annoying is it? Tiffany mailing message that their shower is not working, which means they have no way to shower. That's annoying. So I'm gonna grab a bunch of supplies, I'm gonna show up on their doorstep, and I'm gonna fix all their problems. This is the punch list on drewandjonathan.com. This is crazy. I got a message from Tiffany who said their master bathroom shower is not working. It's not just Tiffany and her husband John, but they also have a toddler. In fact, they have to go all the way to the gym if they want to shower. So we're gonna get them fixed up because you should be able to shower in your own home.
Hi, my name's John, and my wife Tiffany and I have been having some trouble with our shower. The rain shower hasn't worked for about 2 years, and the water pressure's really taken a dive in the last few months. Tiffany and I have been watching Property Brothers since we first got engaged back in 2013. Watching the Brothers has been a lot of fun for us. We love watching the episodes, and if we miss them, we DVR them. I don't remember the last time I've had a shower where I can actually get the shampoo out of my hair. Jonathan, I know you're a magician with all your work. Can you work some of that magic at our house?
I've got Howard, I've got Tamir. We're gonna get this taken care of in no time. Wait, you don't look like a Tiffany. What's happening, man? How are you? Surprise!
Surprise!
Tiffany's the one who called me. She messaged saying that you guys are having a problem with the shower.
It's a rain faucet. The valve doesn't work. So when you turn it, nothing happens, and then the water pressure's just been doing nothing over the last few months.
Hold on, let me just... You don't stink, so obviously you still have another shower or something.
I have a gym, so...
You guys actually have to go to the gym to shower? Oh my gosh, that's no good. We're fixing it. Show me where it is.
All right, let's go. So you can see the water pressure. It doesn't get that great. And then if you flip the valve, nothing happens.
Okay, and I can actually see, it looks like it's pulling out of the wall a little bit.
A little bit right there, yeah.
All right, is it okay if I use your shower?
It is okay if you use my shower.
I mean, the assembly itself looks good. We'll open it up, I'll shave my legs while I'm here, and we'll be good to go.
Excellent.
Thank you. This would be a bad time to accidentally turn the shower on. Have you ever tried to open up and replace it? Or?
I have not done it.
You haven't tried to fix it at all? Are you handy? If you have to take that long to answer, that
I am not.
maybe
Let's
not.
just say I am not.
These can be tricky, and sometimes there's nothing you can do. Sometimes it's literally just a bad valve, faulty valve, and it's just got to be replaced. Now, if anyone wants to pull a practical joke and turn the water back on,
That would be the idea.
yeah. Oh, yeah, a little bit of corrosion in there. You can see the sediment buildup. Sometimes you'll just have it where there's sediment sort of built up and it prevents it from coming through, especially if it's on the inside. So we pulled off the valve. This is when it can get messy. Can you do me a favor, actually? Can you just stand under it for me? And then we'll just
That'd be great.
turn it on.
Thinking I've got a good shower coming later today in my own home. Thank you.
Pleasure to meet you. It's crazy sometimes when something breaks down like that, but as long as you have the pros in here, they get it done real fast. So who's this?
This is Hudson.
Hudson, you're the reason why we need to have hot water in the shower, is that right? Does he say anything yet?
He says a few things, but never when cued.
Can you say Jonathan? Jonathan! This is amazing. This is exciting for us because we want you guys to have a place that functions for you. You have a beautiful home. Now you have a beautiful home that you can shower in. What's it gonna mean now that you don't have to go to the gym to shower?
Oh, it's gonna be excellent. I can sleep in an extra 30 minutes, if you let me.
That's probably not gonna happen. If you have something that is not working, it's annoying around the house, hit us up on social media and we might just show up at your doorstep. I got a smile, I saw the smile. Bye.
Bye-bye, Jonathan.
Too cute.